Well, here we are in Lillestrom, Norway. And this is a Studebaker and Packard museum. Very high quality. So they have a diner, and my wife and friends are here. But wait till you check out this museum. It's unbelievable. Look at the size of this. And it's hard to believe that you could accumulate this many Studebakers and Packards in the country of Norway. But most of these cars came here new. Many of them have always been in this country. And sometimes the Americans will think, well, the Norwegians are simply trying to copy or be like an American. They have their own culture. It has something similar to the American experience, but it happened simultaneously. So the appreciation for the American car actually is quite unique in itself. Many times you'll talk to the Norwegians and they say, well, I've never been to the United States and I don't know anybody from the United States, but they can state history that goes as far back as the 1970s, some earlier. There are members in the M-Car Club that have been members for over 50 years. So this is really special. And then if you think this is something, wait till you check out more. So as you go down through the corridors, you're going to see quite unique cars on display down there as well. And this is a Henry J, of course. There's several Henry J's down here. So now they actually have it downstairs. So you have to traverse down the stairs. And check this out. So you thought there was many cars upstairs in the museum. Well, here's the lower level. So you can have, there's Desotos and Works and everything under the sun. Studebakers. Look at all the different models and makes and Desotos. So it's almost endless. So how can it be? How can there be so many cars in Norway? Well, as a fact, in Scandinavia, there's well over 250,000 American cars. So, I mean, this goes way back. There's more further back. I mean, just think of some of these cars. They have some crazy cars, and you know, check out this Hudson. I mean, geez, how many of these do you see? The Studebaker. So, Henry J's, lots of, here's a Hudson Hornet. Another Hudson. Henry J. And it just keeps going on. A Kaiser. Champion. Another Henry J. Very nice. Studebaker Daytona. There's a Sportsman. So anyhow, it's crazy.